was at the end of August, I think, is when we started, and I honestly didn't know what to expect, especially coming in the first 4 weeks. We're in this classroom and we're learning and doing book work, and I was like, oh, I was never really too good in school, and then once we got out there, I've been pretty happy with working hands-on and everything. I love everything like that. It's going great, honestly. Like I couldn't be more happy with this opportunity. My job sent me down here, and my job, we needed a CNC guy, and they were asking me if I was interested in coming here, and I was like, yeah, why not? Learn a career at the same time, help out the company. It's fine with me. I got the first NIMS, missed the dimensions on the lathe between center, and right now I'm going back to give it another shot. While I was waiting for the results, I was doing the NIMS for the mills as well. So.